Today we're taking a look at one of the most advanced dash cam systems available in 2026. This is the new 4K mirror dash cam with 4-channel recording, ADAS, blind spot detection, GPS support, and a large 12-inch touchscreen. It replaces your original rearview mirror or can be mounted directly on top of it using the included special bracket. The first standout feature is the 4-camera setup, which records the front in full 4K and the left, right, and rear cameras in 1080p. All 4 video streams are recorded at the same time, giving you complete 360-degree coverage around your vehicle. The 150-degree wide view ensures you never miss a detail. The system also includes night vision, making night driving much safer with clear, bright footage even in low-light conditions. With ADAS and BSD blind spot detection, the dash cam actively helps you avoid collisions by monitoring surrounding vehicles. Other important features include loop recording, a G sensor that locks critical footage during accidents, and 24-hour parking monitoring using the included hardwire kit. You can also add GPS tracking for route history and speed monitoring. Installation is simple, and the package includes all 4 cameras, power cables, the bracket, and a user manual. If you want maximum safety and ultra-clear 4K recording, this 4-channel mirror dash cam is one of the best upgrades you can get.